Next one is trace and color. What is this, Anna?
It's the sun.
This is the sun. How about this one? This is the...
Ocean.
This is the...
Pirate.
No, this is not a pirate. This is the...
Boat.
This is a boat. This one...
It's an ocean.
Very good. Good job. Now, you see, there's a line. There's a line. Can you trace the line?
Why?
We have to trace the line.
Trace.
Yeah,
the-
trace the dots. The broken lines, I mean. Do it properly. Do it properly. No,
It's not wrong. That's wrong.
that is wrong.
Why?
That is not wrong.
Suko ka?
Why man masuko si mama? Okay,
Mama.
come on. Look at, follow mama. Follow mama. This one is a big, what?
Big circle.
Big circle. Very
See?
good. How about this one? This is a...
A shark.
Yes, that's the head of the shark. Unsa man ang shape sa head sa shark? That is a... What does it look like? What shape?
It's the triangle.
Very good. Now, can we do the circle first? Then we will continue the triangles. Okay. The circle first. Do you want help with mama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you help?
Wait.
Did you help me?
Yes.
Help me little.
Okay. 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 Pero, trace the broken line. Sige, dali na mag-hold si mama. Sige. Pero nga. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Good job! Okay, now we will do the triangles. The triangles na.
Triangle.
Sige.
Let's the rest the triangle to our son.
Okay, we will start from here.
What?
Like this.
Ma.
Where? I cannot see. I can't see.
Mama.
Trace the broken lines. Okay.
Okay, Lance.
Dito, ano.
Now,
Sige.
hold my hand.
Okay, straight line. Again.
Mama.
Again.
Ayaw ka lang gunit.
Okay, di na ako gunitan. Ikaw na lang. Okay, sige ikaw. Achoo! Okay, good job. The next one.
That's the triangle one. Mama.
Tara na.
Mama. That's the triangle one.
Okay.
Mama.
Yes, anak.
It's the shapes here.
Yeah, wait.
Mama.
Mm.
What's the shapes here?
Okay.
What's that the shapes?
Tara na. You can do it like this, anak. Oh, see? See, look. Anak.
What?
Yeah.
Anak.
Tara nga. Anak niya. Anak. Okay. Next.
No.
Sige, ikaw.
That's
Okay. Anak. Very good. Yeah. Okay, good job.
Mama.
Okay, next one. Kapit. Tutusok? Tutusok ka? Hindi siya open dali na. Taro nga. Wait, mama lang, mama.
Where's the ball? There. Mama. Catch it.
Wait, mama.
Catch it.
Dali na.
Mama. Draw yourself.
Okay, again.
Mama. Turn by yourself.
Ikaw mag-draw. Okay.
Mama.
Next.
Mama.
Yes.
That's me, Papa.
Okay.
Mama.
Mm.
Need some. That's.
Sige.
Mama.
Yes.
That's almost there.
Yes, we're almost there. Come on. Taro nga. Katong ganina. Itong pinana. Okay, do it on the other side. Good job.
Now last one.
Good job. Can you do it on the ears also? Your technique. From the here, from up.
Ah,
Sige. There, from there. Okay. Good job. Now we're done with the sun.
now
Now we will go to the boat.
what?
To the boat.
Boat.
Yeah, where's the boat?
That's so weird.
Where's the boat?
Here.
Where?
Here. Here.
Yes, good job. This one, what's the shape?
Onto names ah.
Ayaw.
No name ako na
Oh, mag-write ang name later, okay? We will write the name, but for now, we will follow what's instructed. Wait.
Other falatars.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, later. Aris ata sa boat. Unsa nga shape?
Is that a square?
Hmm? It's a
A.
what? Taro nga, anak. Yes,
What?
What's the shape? What does it look like?
A triangle.
Very good. This one, this is a
A triangle.
triangle. Giant triangle. Okay. Sige, trace the broken lines.
Broken lines.
Tarong nga. Pagtarong.
What?
If, first, make any first. The small one first. Nak, it's okay if you will not continue. Look.
That's the same.
See?
Not.
Anak, ka-draw ka diha. One line. Big. Let me see. Na. Humuka ang hand. One. Tarong nga ang hand. Tarong ang hand. Okay.
Mama.
Sige na. Sige na. Dari, tanaway mong worksheet. 2. Okay. Sige. 3. Okay.
That's the same thing.
How many sides in a triangle?
That's the
How many sides? 1, 2.
3.
Very good.
1, 2, 3.
Sige. Line. Kani kay big line.
Super big line.
Super big line. Sige.
It's a smaller than.
Okay.
What's the smaller one?
Good job.
Now,
Dali.
that's the same triangle.
Sige. Continue.
Mama,
Oh.
the triangles are broken.
Yes, it's a broken triangle, so we have to connect it. Sige, next.
Mama,
Mm.
alam ko ba ang triangle?
Very good. Now, the other side.
Mama,
Small lang na to kay very big. Okay. Sige, line. Connect the line, broken lines. Sige, continue anak. Continue. Good job. Last one.
that's one.
The last one. Okay. Okay, last one. Sige. Okay, connect the lines. Connect the lines.
Line? Okay.
Connect the broken lines. Okay. Sige. Move your hand. Tarong agkupot ang pencil. Okay. Sige, connect. Good. Okay. Good job!
So, Mama, are you okay na?
Yes, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's Aqua's body?
Where's the clues body? It's there.
Why you put in there?
Because we're done with that one. Oh, naapata. Napay remaining. Come on. Connect the line. Connect the broken lines. Kani pa. Kani siya first. Kani, napadri. Oh. Sige, connect the broken line.
What?
Connect.
Also
Oo
no.
nga.
Mama, also no.
That's part of the boat. This one is the... Say tawag na, kanang, kuan ba?
Ma,
I forgot about it.
suko ka?
Wala ko na.
What? Gusto ka?
Sige.
Okay na.
Okay.
Now, I love Mama. Now, the broken lines.
Good job.
Yay!
Kanina pa broken line.
The broken lines. Now, Mom, now.
What's that?
Ma,
Mm.
that ocean is super dangerous.
Yes, it's dangerous.
When
So you
you
don't
swim,
go to ocean alone. Sige. Connect, connect, broken line. Nak, ano pa broken line? Good job.
but
Now the ocean. Okay.
no.
Wait, pwede na
I
ito.
connect the ocean.
Okay, connect the ocean.
Ma,
Mm-hmm.
stop. You can't see that ocean.
Okay, connect the ocean.
Mama,
Mm.
I can see the line.
Mm. Connect the broken lines. Okay,
Mama.
yes.
I can see the line.
What is that, guy? Okay.
Wait.
One last. One more. Good job! Yay! I love you too.
Mama.
Now, we're done with the tracing. We will proceed with the color. Say color sa sun?
It's yellow.
Okay.
Yellow color.
Okay. Give me the cup. Okay. Color
What?
yellow ang sun.
That's the face. The face to the sun.
Sige, color yellow. Ayaw igawa sa kuan ha, sa black ang imuhang yellow ha. It should be inside lang.
Right? Mama,
Mm.
dili kong kita sa tripan.
Hindi ka kita sa chickpan. Ano din yung chickpan oh? Sige na.
No, dili na tripan.
Unsan din na?
See,
Cooler.
color part.
Sige na.
Mama,
Yeah.
what color is this?
What color is this? You answer me.
It's the blue.
Okay, very good.
This blue the same.
Okay, very good.
Blue thing at the squishy blue.
Oh, yes. Oh, sige na. Faster na color ang
And blue.
blue also. Okay.
Blue.
Faster na color ang sun.
No, that's orange.
Yes, that is color orange. Ano, Drake, para di mo lupa di mong paper.
Mama,
Sige na. Color na.
Mama,
Yeah.
that is look like a squishy. Look like a ball.
Look like a ball.
Yeah. Look like something ball.
Okay. Color na ang side sa sun. Good job.
Mama,
Mm.
dili ka kita sa yellow.
Di ka kita sa yellow.
Yeah.
Ano sa din mo nakita? Ano sa din mo
Oh.
nakitaan?
Si yellow color, dili ko kita. Mama, mama.
Napagod. Good job.
Wait, napa. Okay, good.
Good.
Now,
Hmm.
I'll go choose the line.
Ha?
I'll go choose the line.
Yes.
Mama,
Good job, anak. Ay, last one.
Mama,
Yes, anak.
I want to choose the line.
Okay, you are tracing the line.
Come on.
Good job, anak.
That's-
Yes.
Now,
Asang
boat.
cup? Asang cup na kulikot ang anak? Okay, next one is boat. What color of the boat? What is the color of the boat? Ano sa imong gusto nga color sa boat?
Is the blue or red?
Blue and red. Okay. Can you choose blue and red?
That's blue.
Okay, can you choose the blue? That is what color?
Is that red?
Okay. Then you want blue. Where's the
No.
color?
No, that's red.
What color you want, man? Blue or red?
Blue, red.
Blue and red. Okay. Oh, this one is nice. Okay. Yun na, color na. Don't forget, ayaw ibutang outside sa kuan. Sa line.
Red. That's super powerful.
Ayaw igawas sa line. Ayaw igawas. Inside lang.
Yeah.
Mm.
Asa si Lily
teacher, siling-ling si Ate Tingting.
What's doing there?
They are resting.
What?
Kay di ka po'y sa lakas. Ay, lagi ka mo sa line.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Mama,
Mm.
can I swim to the red?
Okay.
Mama,
Mm.
can you help me?
Help you?
Yeah.
Okay, I will hold your hand. Okay, can you color it?
Yes.
Oh, sige.
To red.
Okay, dili mo gawa sa outline ha.
Anna, just coming.
Ano lang. Good job. Sige, you can color the rest. Okay, good job, Anna.
Mama,
Very good, anong baby?
it's a sunny day.
Yes, it's a sunny day.
Mama,
It's a good day
Mama.
to go for.
Mama.
Mm.
the color to choose the blue and at the ocean.
Okay. Sige, color sa ang the rest of red.
Mama, Ma,
Mm.
I
Yes, anak.
thank you, Ma.
Thank you so much, baby.
Mama, thank you help me get my cell phone.
Yeah, I will help you get your cell phone if you will help Mama finish your activities sa school.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you also.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Teacher. Oy! Hindi yung tabi ng teacher.
Sige na. Unsay color ani gusto nimo?
It's the blue.
Blue also?
Yeah?
Okay.
Blue so.
Blue also.
No. Ma, that's the wrong.
Ayaw igawa sa line. Okay, good job. How about the body of the boat? What color you want?
It's pink.
Pink. Okay. Naipink
Also-
ta, natay pink ya.
No, diri.
Okay, good job.
That's the pink.
Okay.
The pink super sweet. Mama,
Mm,
the pink super sweet.
Pink is super sweet.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
It is sweet.
It is sweet.
Ma,
Mm.
that ocean is sweet.
Is the ocean sweet?
Yeah?
No, it's not enough.
What?
It is salty.
Huh?
It is salty.
No, it's
Ay, pagawa
strong.
sa line, ha?
Mama,
Yes.
that pink is super pink. That ocean is super strong.
Yes. There are strong waves coming from the ocean.
Yes?
Sorry.
Mama,
Done. Okay. How about the ocean? What is the color of the ocean?
it's blue.
Okay. Can you get the color blue?
Yes. That's the color blue.
Okay, good job. Yun na yan.
But this is blue. Mama,
Ayaw igawa sa line, ha?
Mama,
Yes, ano?
can I call? Can you help me? Can you help me, Ma?
Yes, of course. Ano? Sige, tarungan ko na. Tarungan gunit. Tarungan gunit. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You're tired na?
Huh?
You're tired?
Yeah, I'm just
Hindi mo
play
si-
cellphone.
Mag-tired niya. Mag-play cellphone.
Mama,
Sige, tarungan. Sige.
Mama, color on to play cellphone. Mama,
Okay, next one.
Mama,
Yes, anak.
come on, Ani, ng cellphone ko.
We will see if you will finish fast. Come on. Para mag-wash up ka.
That's the same thing. That's one. Who's that finish?
Okay, dali sa ubos.
That's finish.
Sa ubos di ay.
What?
Ano, sa ubos. I-color ko sa ubos.
What? Ocean same?
Yes, the ocean. Those are the waves, man. Taro nga color. Taro nga color. Dito, dito.
That's the same thing.
Taro nga, anak. Do it properly. Okay. Ano pa, Dre? Oh, missing color.
The same color. Where?
Sana. Okay, good job!